Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram story music not working. If you're using Instagram and you're facing the issue that your Instagram story music is not working, so let's see some possible fixes about that. So the very first thing is that you just have to open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner, and you have to make sure that you're not using a professional account. If you're using any professional account, simply tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. And here just select the creator tools and control, and then select switch account type, then select switch to personal account, select switch to personal account option again, and after that your account will be switched to a personal account. Or you can relaunch your Instagram app, and after that your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you have to simply open your app store here, go for search for Instagram, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Instagram app. If you find any pending update here, try to update your app. So after updating, you will not get the issue again and your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.